Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics step by step. Begin by building a strong foundation in mathematics, especially algebra and trigonometry. These are the essential tools you'll use constantly. Next, focus on understanding the fundamental concepts of physics, like Newton's laws or energy conservation, before moving to more complex areas. Don't just memorize formulas, truly grasp the underlying ideas. This initial groundwork is crucial for future success. Once you have a solid conceptual understanding, the next vital step is extensive problem solving. Physics is an applied science, so practice is paramount. Work through a wide variety of problems, starting with simpler ones and gradually increasing difficulty. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process. Always review your incorrect solutions to understand where you went wrong and reinforce the correct approach. This active engagement solidifies your knowledge. To deepen your understanding, try to visualize abstract physics concepts. Draw diagrams, create mental models, or even use physical analogies to make ideas more concrete. Collaborating with others is also incredibly beneficial. Discussing challenging topics with classmates can clarify doubts and expose you to different problem-solving strategies. Don't hesitate to ask your instructors or tutors for help when you encounter particularly difficult material. They are there to guide you. Finally, consistent review and persistence are key to mastering physics. Regularly revisit older topics to keep the information fresh in your mind and build connections between different areas. Establish a consistent study schedule and stick to it, even if it's just for a short period each day. This steady effort will yield significant long-term results. Remember, physics takes time and dedication, so be patient with yourself. Also, check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.